I'm Wes, the auto body guy. After 15 years in the industry, I've decided it's time to share some of the tips and tricks I've learned along the way. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. On this quick one here, we got a door trim panel removal. Here's the trim pieces to remove and 3 Phillips screws on this Hyundai. Pretty simple, but sometimes you're not sure which trim panel to remove to access the screws, so here you go. Hopefully this helps you guys out if you're in this situation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for stopping in.